You want to find out how to be a successful life coach in 30 days or less? Well, then this video is for you.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers create and generate their first or their next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing business, where they go out there and generate $10,000 for their life coach and healing business in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about how you can become a successful life coach in 30 days or less, but not only become successful, how that success can lead to you making more money and helping you go out there and create more impact every single day. We're going to be talking about what a life coach is. We're going to be talking about how you can make money as a life coach and how you specifically can become a successful life coach really, really quickly. So without any further ado, let's head in to this video. All right, so first things first, what is a life coach and what is life coaching? You know, I think it's a really, really big topic that a lot of people, hear, but they kind of have their own assumptions around and they don't really know maybe exactly what it is, or they don't have an idea around what it's going to do for them. So let's go, what exactly is a life coach? When we hear like life coaching, you're gonna hear it's a coach for someone's life, right? But that's a very broad term. When we look at life coaching, we're typically looking at three core markets. These three core markets are going to be health, wealth, or relationships. What I mean by that is you as a life coach is going to go out there and help someone in regards to either getting closer to pleasure or farther away from pain in regards to one of those three core markets. We usually want to go out there in those three core markets and identify a problem through a perfect profitable niche that we are going to be able to go out there and find out who we're going to be able to talk to and that problem that they're going to be able to have, so that we can start talking to them about how we can help them with that specific problem. Now that you know exactly what a life coach is, now let's go into how you're going to make money as a life coach. So we talked about specifically you're going to help them with that specific problem and you're going to pick a niche. Usually that niche is going to be through a group of people, and then through that group of people you're going to find a problem, right? That's going to be your niche. So what you're going to be able to identify and how you're going to be able to make money is you're going to be able to help people in that niche who have that problem, and you're going to be able to go out there and you're going to be able to solve that problem that they have. So ultimately what we want to make sure that we understand is that why we're making money as life coaches is because we're going to be meeting potential clients here and they're going to want to get here. And as a coach, we're going to play that guide to help them get right to the goal, the target, or the promised land that they're wanting to get to. And ultimately, we're going to get paid as life coaches, not because we're just going to help them get to that solution. We're going to get paid as life coaches because we're going to be helping them get to that solution a lot faster than if they didn't work with us to begin with. Before I go into this next piece of exactly how you can start making money, like real money consistently as a life coach, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting new and exciting videos out there every single day here on this channel for you to help life coaches and healers create and generate their first or their next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing business in 30 days or less. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. So you talked about exactly what a life coach is and how you're gonna make money. Now let's go out there and make money. So the first thing we gotta make sure that we do, now that we've talked about picking your niche and exactly how you're gonna make money as a life coach, so you already understand that piece, let's talk about going out there and creating an irresistible life coaching offer. So we wanna go out there and create an offer. This is what people are going to buy, and this is how they're going to be able to get help from you. And ultimately, if you're a brand new life coach, you need to create your core offer, the main offer that people are going to purchase from you. And what we wanna make sure that we understand is that an offer is not gonna be a solution. An offer and solution, AKA product, are two completely different things. We want to make sure that we are creating an offer, which is usually going to be a bundle of solutions that is going to be able to not only answer and fix the problem that they have, but it's also going to be able to answer to any internal or external objections that they might have, while also giving them a reason to take action now. This is going to help people take immediate action on your offers, and especially take action on getting rid of those problems that they have, so that they can ultimately get rid of the problem but gain the goal that they want to gain to through getting help from you. All right, so now that we have this offer, what we need to make sure that we do is that we're out there demonstrating exactly how we can help people by actually helping people consistently, so that we can have opportunities to present this offer to people as many times as we can. Now, I think a lot of people are like, well, I'm just gonna hop on one-on-one calls. I'm just gonna hop on sales calls. I'm just gonna reach out to people that need my help. Will that work? Yes, it can work, but it's gonna take a lot of time and it's going to drag you out. What I mean by that is you as a life coach, when you're going out there and trying to do one-on-one calls all the time and you're doing your best to not only keep up with one-on-one calls, but keep up with your clients, as well as keep up with prospecting and keeping people come in the door with money coming in the door, you are going to be very, very prone to falling into what we classify as a freelancer trap. What the freelancer trap is going to be is where you are going to go out there and hustle for a couple of months, but then you're going to go out there and guess what? You are going to sign up a few clients. That's awesome, but since you're going to be taking all this time fulfilling these clients over here, you're not going to be over here getting any more leads. And since you're not going to be getting any more leads, when these clients get done with their fulfillment, you're not going to be getting paid any more money, and you are going to run out of money, ultimately, running out of time and money to be able to keep your business running. This freelancer trap kills so many life coaches every single year, and I want to make sure you don't get caught by this freelancer trap by doing what we do, and that is profitable presentation. So what is a profitable presentation? A profitable presentation is going to be where you go out there in an online workshop, an online summit, an online challenge, right? Even an online masterclass or even a live event, and you're going to be able to go out there and you're going to be able to help people during this profitable presentation. And at the end of helping people during this profitable presentation, this is a group of people that you can help. You are going to be able to then transition into presenting the offer that we just talked about, so you can offer them to help them more. And guess what? A lot of them that you make that offer to right after they say yes or get help at that workshop or at that profitable presentation that you're doing, you are going to get multiple people to say yes to your offer and ultimately sign up multiple people consistently every single time you do a profitable presentation. All right, so we know what a profitable presentation is. Let's talk about how we sign up people from this profitable presentation, because I know you're right now saying, well, this sounds like it could work, but how do I actually make money? Well, let's talk about how you make money from your profitable presentation. So there's 3 specific ways that you can make money from your profitable presentation. The first way is what we classify as your sales stack. Your sales stack is going to be what we talked about in the previous segment, where you're going to be transitioning into an offer at the end of your presentation. We are going to be stacking, right, a presentation at the end of your profitable presentation that is going to be presenting an offer that you have that you are going to be able to present to the people at that profitable presentation. And a lot of times people that got your help at that profitable presentation are going to want to go out there and continue getting your help to the bigger problem that they have. So that's the first way. The second way is for people that register to come to our profitable presentations, whatever it is, we are going to look and see, did this person come to the profitable presentation or did they not? For the people that didn't come to the profitable presentation, we're going to be sending them to the replay so that they can have an opportunity to go to see the replay and ultimately see the offer that we will be presenting them, as well as we want to make sure that we are going to be reaching out to the people that came and looking to get them on a strategy call to talk about and customize what we talked about on the presentation and then transition into a sales stack there. And then last and certainly not least, we want to make sure that we are reaching out to people, and if they say they're not ready to sign up with us, or right, they sign up to come and they don't show up, we don't get in touch with them, we want to make sure we're inviting them or getting them to commit to the next profitable presentation. For whatever reason, they might not be ready, or they might have, something might have came up in their life. It happens to all of us. We want to make sure that we stay in front of them, we nurture them, and we ultimately are keeping them to coming to more and more profitable presentations. Over time, this is going to help you build momentum, get more and more people to come to your presentations, giving you more opportunities to make more sales and ultimately make more, sign up more people and make a lot more impact and a lot more money.
So, are you a life coach who wants to go out there and make more money in the next 30 days? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. And my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide is a 22-page guide that's going to show you our simple 3-step selling system to help life coaches go out there and create and generate their 10K paydays in 30 days or less using profitable presentations. Make sure just to go down there in the description and grab your 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by going down there and clicking on your 100K, going down there and grabbing your 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.